Welcome back to the Knit Crowd as well as yarnspirations.com. I'm your host Mikey. Today we're going to knit 5 together. So if this is ever called for in a pattern, this is how you do it. So knitting 2 together is a matter of putting 2, 3 is 3, putting 4 together is 4, and then 5. So what you have to just do with this needle that I'm pointing at right here, you're going to put it in behind. So you'll use this finger here to stabilize, and you have to make sure you have good tension in order to get it through all 5 of those loops at one time. Just like you see, you're gonna knit as you normally would and then pull it on through. Okay, so it gets really tight, so then once you get that through, slide that off, and so 5 just became 1. So if you have to do that again in a row, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, counting your 5 out, insert the needle in as a knit stitch, but collecting all 5, wrapping it in the back as normal, and bringing it on through. So just as a matter of getting your tension in order to get that through. You don't see this too much in patterns, but if it is, that's exactly how you do it. So those 5 just became 1, sliding it off just like you see, and so you get a massive reduction in stitches when you do 5 together. So that's it. That's how we do this. So on behalf of Yarn Inspirations and the Knit Crowd, I'm your host Mikey.